Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Ford Explorer and I will show you which fuse to check in case your horn is not working. This video will apply to Ford Explorers made from 2011 all the way up to 2015. Now, if you are having horn problems, first and the easiest thing to check is always the fuse, and then if the fuse is good, then most likely you are dealing with failed airbag clock spring, possible wiring issue, or a failed horn itself. But from my experience on a Ford, most likely you have problems with the airbag clock spring. So to fix it, you will have to remove the steering wheel and then replace the clock spring. But first things first, always check the fuse. Okay, now the horn fuse will be located in a small fuse box under the steering wheel. It's not too easy to access. Now first you will have a black cover down here. Now my car is missing it. I just got this car from the auction and came without the cover. To remove the cover, you'll just have to remove these two screws, this one here and this one here, and then just pull it off and you will get access to the fuse box up there. I'll try to squeeze my phone to show you exactly. Okay, so I have turned the flash on my phone, so this is the fuse box. On top of it you have a small fuse diagram, as you can see. Now to remove the cover, you'll have two black tabs, one here, one on the other side, so you want to press them at the same time and remove the cover. On the back side of the cover, here is supposed to be a small fuse puller. In my case it's missing, but you should have one, and then you can use it to remove the fuse you have to remove. Okay, and the fuse you want to check, it's a fuse number 22, which is a 20 amp yellow fuse located right here. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.